can't see the YouTube channel.
Can't see it? Well, I'm taping right now, so you want to say hi to everybody? Hi to your subscribers?
Yeah.
Say hi?
Yeah.
Tell them what is that you have?
Hi, subscribers.
You want to tell them what we made today?
Yeah.
What is that we made today?
We made a board, and we made a car.
Well, do you remember the name of the board that we put the lines on? You remember how we set it up to make a ramp?
Well, the board was at Kroger.
It was at Kroger. We got it, and we made a ramp out of it.
And road lines.
Yep, and we put lines on it for the road. So we just wanted to show you guys this is something you can do on a day like today, which is Saturday, using simple materials. You can just make different things. We just used a cardboard box, like Aiden said, from Kroger that I saw. We picked it up, and then I just used some stickers to put in the middle of it to make a road, like a highway. That's what the thought was.
Whoa!
Just something to do different, just to be creative and save money at the same time. As you can see, he's having fun with it. Alright, Aiden, you want to show them one more time? Let's show the ramp one more time. Let's show how it works one more time. You want to start at the top? Alright, go down.
I'm just going slow.
Going slow? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, let's go down one time really quick, just so we can show them how it works again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Alright. You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye, everybody.